Remove the filter and elements from their protective packaging, checking each item against the diagram on the instruction leaflet given in your filter packaging. The filter is nested for secure transit. Separate the filter components and remove the protective packaging. Check each component is present against the drawing on your instruction leaflet. Remove the elements from their packaging. There are additional components in the end of the element packaging. Fit the knob onto the lid by inserting the screw through the hole in the lid and screwing the knob hand tighten only. Place the sealing washer over the threaded part of the element. Place the elements into the holes in the base of the top section. Secure the element in place by screwing the wing nut onto the nozzle part of the element. If you wish to use more than 2 elements in your water filter, remove the blind rubber grommet and insert the additional elements as you have the previous 2. Take the tap and place one washer onto the threaded part of the outlet tap. Insert the thread through the hole in the side of the filter's bottom section. Place the second washer over the thread and secure the tap in place with the nut. To achieve a tighter seal, hold the outlet tap until the nut is hand tight. Then hold the nut and tighten the assembly by rotating the tap body through at least a quarter turn to reach the upright position. Check that the outer sealing washer is seated tight against the surface of the lower chamber. Put the top section onto the bottom section and place the lid in position. Ensure that the outlet tap is in the off position. Removing the lid, fill the filter top section with water. And replace the lid. We recommend that the first supply of filtered water is thrown away, as it may contain loose material washed from the filter elements.